Welcome back to part 2 of our demo. Let's dive back in. We must now try to figure out why it is that node 1 is not responding to the controller. We go over to the compute node and check the status of the slurmd service. On the compute node, this daemon is slurmd. We can see that the slurmd daemon has failed. Before we go any further, we quickly try to restart the service in case this fixes the problem. It appears not. Now, we interrogate the journalctl logs to see if they can help us solve our problem. We use journalctl with the arguments -xe, x for extra information, and e to take us to the end of the log file. Here we see that there is more information about our error. Slurm has found an unrecognized key node name in the slurm configuration file in the etc slurm directory. To fix this problem, we open the offending file in our text editor of choice. I use Vim, and we proceed to find and fix the spelling error that Slurm cannot understand. There it is. We change the key to the appropriate value, and we save and exit the configuration file. At this point, we should be able to start the slurmd service. If there are no problems with the system, we check the status and yes, the slurmd service is now up and running. Great. We now check whether this node is able to communicate with the slurm controller by once again querying the system with the sinfo command. Alright, so there still seems to be some reason why the node is not able to communicate with the controller. We are going to have to dig a little bit deeper to find the source of the problem. We confirm that the state of the system has not changed according to the controller. Okay, let's keep going. We know that the success of the interaction between the nodes depends on the authentication agent, munge. We make sure that munge is up on the node, as it should be. Nice, it is. Next, we try to use journalctl and isolate the slurm service to see if we can find any more information from the logs. Scrolling down to the most recent entries, we can see that there hasn't been any activity since slurmd successfully started up. We then do the same search on the head node, probing the slurm controller for more information using journalctl. Again, there doesn't seem to be any problem visible in this log. Maybe we're going to have to dig a bit deeper into the logs to solve the problem.